going to hit the first domino, which will knock over all the dominoes, and this domino is supposed to hit the ball, and that will roll down the ramp and hit this ball, which will hit the domino, and the domino is going to make the blue piece slide and hit the ball to make it go and hit the 3 dominoes. There are 3 dominoes instead of 1, so that there's more force to hit the heavy ping pong paddle. And the ping pong paddle is going to launch the car, which will make it go into the garage, and the garage door will close. 3, 2, 1, go! All finally came.